Stop it.
Who's dead? And you're like, fuck you, baby.
No. No. Stop it. No. No.
I don't want to be reminded
No.
of sweet young Julie and our kids and that
Stop it.
beautiful time in our lives.
Oh God!
Stop it.
You guys completely ignore me always. Yeah, no shit, cheater. Oh, cheater? That's my designation. That's what I am. I'm the cheater. Fuck that shit. Did you guys ever once call me down and ask me my side of the story? I would have told you. I would have told you that.
Mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, put that shit on the mob.
Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. 2 Y's, back at the Mob Museum, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, first off, major shout out and salute to all my OGs, youngest, day ones, and new members alike, broski. And for the trolls in the comment box only, man, we got rules, you know what I'm saying? Rule number 1, my camera, my channel. Finna put whatever kind of video I want to on this channel. You know what I'm saying? Rule number 2, be you on the tube. It's called YouTube, you know what I'm saying? That is it, just be you on the tube. Nothing more, nothing less. Rule number 3, if you don't like what you see, man, you don't like my video, get the fuck on, bitch. But yeah, man, all of that out the way, you know what I'm saying? This is a negativity free environment, you know what I'm saying? So if it's any love that you want to show, drop it in the comment box, bro. We're gonna get it right back. It ain't nothing but a whole bunch of appreciation going on, you know what I'm saying? Hey, we made up a new word yesterday on live stream while we retwisting my dreads, and I will say, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I think I did a fairly good job. Hold on, let me get in the mix, man. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I think I did pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyway, like I was saying, bro, retwisted it up yesterday on stream. Was a dope ass stream. Definitely gonna be streaming more. I was supposed to do a hangouts with the homies last night, but food, by the time I finished my head, I ate, and it was a wrap for me, you know what I'm saying? But we definitely gonna be doing hangouts. And I'm gonna be waking and baking too, man. Whenever I can. That shit, bro, we're gonna be having a whole bunch of fun, you know what I'm saying? Unboxing. Yeah, about to do unboxing. Something came through today. A lot of the homies been asking about merch. Bro, y'all know I had this shit out and available for y'all for the longest, and people been shopping with me for the longest. Like, I do understand we got a whole new wave of subscribers as well, man. Hey, appreciate y'all for hitting that button and the bell, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you tap that bell and the subscribe button, notification bell as well. You see what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. But hell yeah, hit that if you new around here, bro. We got a whole bunch of new subscribers. They ain't know you know what I'm saying, been doing the merch thing. It ain't on the scale of a Tony Den Bull. It's not a whole clothing line, but I do got a little bit of merch for y'all, man. The link is in the bio, you know what I'm saying, along with all of the equipment that I shoot with. So if you're interested in making YouTube videos yourself, hey man, just click the description box of this video and have at it. The only thing that's changed is my phone. I got a Note 9 now. It ain't the Note 8 no more. But everything else I still shoot with all the same equipment, and all my light setup is still the same. So all that talking out the way, man, let's get in these box, man. Yeah, I finally found the poker, bro. When I needed it, I could not find it junk nowhere, but now it pops up. Good timing though, you know what I mean? Crazy thing, I usually keep this on me, like on my person. But yeah, man. Hold on, make sure my goddamn address ain't popping up on frame or nothing. Boom. What y'all think it is, bro? You know what I'm saying? Drop it in the comment box right now. What you think it is? I will give you a hint. It's Dragon Ball Z. It's a Dragon Ball Z character. So hell yeah, let me know what y'all think it is. Ooh. I'm fucking with the packaging already. They came through. This was a purchase from Mercari. Boop. But yeah, this was a purchase from the Mercari app. I've been putting a whole bunch of the homies on the Mercari app and shit. You know what I mean? I thought I wanted to do a video on it, so I'm always telling homies like, man, if you're looking for pops, if trying to sell pops, Mercari app. Retro Young put me on it, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to my nigga Retro Young. But I wanted to do a video to show y'all the experience buying from them. Now I've sold on Mercari app already, and when you sell, pretty much what happens is when you sell on the Mercari app, like everything is hard. You don't get your money right then and there, you know what I'm saying? They wait till the buyer get it, and then the buyer have to review the item, then they release the cash. See what I'm saying? So while I'm sitting here playing, I need to get this open, see what it is. If it is the Mercari unboxing, cause it look a little small, bro. I don't even think this it. I think this something else. Hold on, what's this, man? Oh shit. Broly 2018 Summer Convention Limited Edition. Bro, Super Saiyan Broly. Dope. Can y'all see him? My nigga, I do not know why I thought this pop was a 6-inch. I thought this was a 6-inch, bro. Like, I don't mind it at all, it's cool. Let me peep the bottom, make sure I ain't get hit. SD Comic-Con DBZ S Super Saiyan Broly Pop Vinyl. You know what I'm saying? They go the official sticker, barcode and all that, so now it ain't a fake pop, but why the hell did I thought this was gonna be a 6-inch, bro? Glad to have it, for sure. Need it, Broly. All my Dragon Ball Z pops are coming out of the box. This box is minty fresh. I ain't even gonna fake with you, bro. This box is mint. I don't wanna mess it up no way, shape, form, or fashion. Oh, somebody already done popped it up for me though. It's all good. Y'all wanna take it out the box real quick? Or do y'all wanna wait out of the box? This motherfucker hard though. Check him out, man. Pop animation. Super Saiyan Broly, pop number 402. That's the art on the side. All the collectibles from this run: Master Roshi, Gohan, Tien, and Shatu. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. Tienzu, Shatu. Oh, bruh, I ain't never know how to pronounce the little dude name. Boma, know who she is for a finette. But yeah, man. Super Saiyan Broly pop animation 402, half head at the bottom, top of the box. That's all that, bro. Damn, I'm still stuck in my head thinking that this pop was gonna be a 6-inch, and it's maybe because this Shenron that I'm on a hunt for is a 6-inch. I want Shenron so bad, bro. Since Purunga dropped, I haven't been able to find Shenron no motherfucking where for a decent price. I think Galactica Toys got some. They like going for the 50. You know what I'm saying? They going like over 50, and I really don't want to spend $50 for it. But it looked like that's what I might have to do, bro. Cause all I'm seeing is the gold Shenrons, and I'm not into the gold Funko Pops. You know what I'm saying? I like the colors. I like the art. So I want like the green, the regular Shenron, especially the throwing beside Purunga. So man, damn, Broly look hard as hell in here though, and he got the red wrap. It ain't his homie ear from the Super Broly movie. Man, let me know if y'all seen the Super Broly movie, bro. The Super Broly movie was fucking dope as hell. I know y'all fuck with it if you're a Dragon Ball Z fan. You probably seen it already. Shout out to Shumanati, because if he didn't post the link, they had like the whole entire movie on YouTube full HD. And if it went for grown, I wouldn't have seen that junk. So shout out to grown, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, I'm a DBZ freak, obviously. Well, I ain't gonna say a freak, cause I don't even know how to goddamn pronounce his little ugly ass name. But other than that, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty knowledgeable on the DBZ scene, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Definitely a fan of all the Saiyan race though. Like, I fucks with all of the Saiyans. So I guess, what, we gotta find us a badass Vegeta. Yeah, we definitely gotta find us a Super Saiyan Vegeta. And I don't want nothing but Super Saiyans. Shout out to the Super Saiyan clique. Baby Gohan on the Nimbus is probably like the only Saiyan I'ma have in just regular form. I'ma fuck with Baby Goku, but the rest of them, only Super Saiyans. And shout out to the Super Saiyan clique. That's my moderators in my live stream. But yeah, broski, out of the box coming soon. I got this to take out of the box. I got Arya to take out for y'all. And I've been wearing a whole bunch of different shoes, so we're gonna do out of the box the end of this week. I know I'm supposed to have one coming for this week, but I ain't really pick up enough or a lot of shit. You see what I'm saying? But definitely another out of the box coming, cause we gotta see Broly, all the details in 4K. Make sure y'all come back from that on the mob. Y'all stay up, bro. From my family to yours. You know what I mean? Grab you some merch. Link in the bio if you're looking for it. I ain't trying to sell y'all a whole bunch of shit every video. You know how that shit go, but mob, we out. Peace.
Mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob. Put that shit on the mob.